want for... Where's the tree going to be?
We're here.
And what do you
Right here.
want? What do you want? How many?
2.
2. And what do you want on the Christmas tree? Star?
Star.
Christmas lights?
Stars.
Christmas lights?
Stars.
Christmas lights? Christmas lights? And
Christmas lights.
and ornaments?
And ornaments.
And that's water. And
Mommy's pot.
and where? How many stars?
The bee.
Hmm?
Bee, the bee.
How many stars? Can you look at mommy? How many stars?
We're not.
And where do you want them? And what do you want under the Christmas tree?
Light.
What do you want under the Christmas tree?
Light.
A light. Do you want presents? You want presents? Do you want boogers?
Yeah. I eat burgers.